Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll start with University question paper solution of Laplace transform of May 16 paper. So my first question is question number 1a. We need to evaluate integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sin hyperbolic t sin t the whole divided by t and further dt. So let's start with solution. We know that we need to compare this with 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. So my f of t is sin hyperbolic t sin t divided by t. So let's solve this. I can say sin hyperbolic t is sin t divided by t e raised to t minus e raised to minus t divided by 2. So that is my sin hyperbolic t. So what I do, first I find Laplace of sin t by t, which will be s to infinity 1 upon s square plus 1 ds. So that comes as cot inverse s. Now e raised to t minus e raised to minus t multiplies to sin t divided by 2t. I can say 1 by 2. Then when I divide by t sin t, I have already found that is cot inverse s. I need to put an effect of e raised to t, so that becomes cot inverse s minus 1 minus cot inverse s plus 1. So further I need to substitute, when you compare here, I need to substitute s equal to 2. So when you substitute s equal to 2, at last I get I is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sin hyperbolic t sin t divided by t dt. So this is my function e raised to 2t. Let's substitute here. So 1 by 2 cot inverse, when I substitute 2 here, 2 minus 1 is 1 minus cot inverse. So this will be, when I substitute 2 here, that becomes cot 3. So you can find values of this, and that comes to be your final answer. We'll start with our next sum. So our next sum is question number 2a. So we need to solve differential equation. I say solve d using LT. So that is d square y upon dt square plus 4 dy upon dt plus 8y, and that is equal to 1. It is given that y of 0 is equal to 0, y dash of 0 is equal to 1. Let's start with solution. I say s square y of s minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 4 s y of s minus y of 0 and plus 8 y of s, that is equal to Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. Let's substitute s square y of 0 and y dash of 0. So this is 0 and this is 1. So I get minus 1. 4s y of s, y of 0 is 0 plus 8 y of s, that is equal to 1 by s. Once you take y of s common, you get s square plus 4s plus 8 is equal to 1 by s plus 1. I say y of s square plus 4s plus 8, and here you get s plus 1 divided by s. So we can say this as y of s is equal to s plus 1 divides by s square plus 4s plus 8 into s. So here say s plus 1, this gets divided by, you don't have a factors for this, so we need to solve it by partial fraction. So s square plus 4s plus 8 into s.